everybody, it's me Sissy, back today finally with a Dollar Tree haul. So let's get right to it. I got a lot of good stuff in here, a few last minute Halloween things, so let's get started. A lot of just regular household items too. I love their Scrub Buddy 6-pack of sponges. This is a great deal. You can use them, and when they get dirty, just toss them. So I usually pick those up when I can find them. And let's just get the household items out of the way first that are right here on top. As always, I have my dog waste bags, 60 pieces. And these are in cute little Halloween colors, so I thought I'd pick those up. And a couple of ice trays. This is the 2-pack of ice cube trays. I guess it's a Greenbrier Products. I love those. I don't have an ice maker in my refrigerator, but I do love ice in my tea. Then I got the Pure Silk Spa Therapy Shave Cream Ultra Sensitive. This is really good, and it has a rust proof bottom, so if you leave it in your shower sitting on the side of the tub, it won't leave rust on there. It's nice, it smells good, and it's for sensitive skin, so you won't have any problems there. And I got the Sassy and Chic silicone face mask applicator, but I actually got this to use in my crafting. It's good to spread Mod Podge or stuff like that, glue when you want to get a thin layer, so I'll pick that up. And a nice cute simple wooden sign. I'm not sure, that looks like about 18 inches. Let me read the sign. It says wood hanging decor from Crafter's Square. It doesn't say the size, but that looks to be about 18 inches and maybe 4 or 5 inches wide, 4 inches wide. But I thought I'd make a little door sign out of that. And I picked up one of the ribbed floor mats. This is from the Home Collection. I think it's a Greenbrier product also. And this is made of 100% polyester, and as some of you may know, I have a sublimation printer, and you can print your designs on, press your designs onto 100% polyester or anything that has some polyester in it. So I'm going to see if I can press onto this little mat and kind of customize it. If you'd like to see a video of it, just leave a message in the comments, and I'll try to get that on for you. And now these, I don't know how good a shower curtain this is if it's used as a shower curtain. It's this 70-inch by 72 inch Home Collection shower curtain. I just use them as back drop cloths when I'm painting anything or bleaching t-shirts, but they're really good, and you use them a time or two and then you can throw them away, and they're only $1. And let's see what else we got. Oh, I picked up this nice metal steel ruler to use in my craft room. I needed a nice straight edge, so I picked that up. Oh, it's kind of shiny. Get that out of the way. And I picked up some of the Diamond Cosmetics nail files. Those are always come in handy. And I picked up some stickers. I really, tell you the truth, can't remember why I picked up this pack, but I must have had an idea when I was in the store, and I said, oh, let me grab those. But anyway, they're cute little stickers. I can't really remember why. Something in there caught my eye, so I picked them up. And let's see what else we got. Oh, some more stickers. I got this 68-piece Crafter's Square Girl Power stickers, and I do remember why I picked this up. Got a new debit card, and it looks just like one of my credit card, so I put a sticker on it because I didn't want to be charging stuff on my credit card thinking I was using my debit card. So that was a good way for me to identify it. Then I picked up some of the Floral Garden Adhesive Diamond Wrap. Got the teal, the silver, and the sparkly purple. I'm going to use these on some Christmas decoration DIYs. These are kind of the colors I used last year for Christmas. I did all the llama things. I think I'm gonna still use my llamas because I love them, and use these to make some new ornaments to go with it. Oh, and then I picked up these. Usually I don't like the LA Color makeup, but these are LA Colors Plump Gloss Instantly Plumps Lips. And as you know, as you can see, I have very thin lips, and I'm always kind of putting plumper on them, trying to make them bigger. But I've got this color is Madness, and this one is Surge. So I picked those up. I'm gonna give them a try, and I'll let you know how I like them. And I have a couple of Dollar Tree Plus items in here. And this was, oops, this was, how much was this? This was $5. This is a 50-inch by 70-inch oversized velvet plush throw. And this is also 100% polyester, so I can put a sublimated design on this also. So I'm going to see if I can fix this up for a Christmas gift. So if y'all would like to see more about the sublimation, I'll do a video on it and show you. I actually made my Halloween shirt here. This is a 65% polyester, 30% cotton t-shirt, and I bleached the front of it and then put this design on it. So that's my nice little Halloween shirt. And let's see what, oh, I got this, this is a Dollar Tree Plus also. This was $3. It is a very nice iPad case for your little iPad tablet or whatever. And it looked like it would exactly fit my Samsung tablet, but it will not. So it is like 1/4 of an inch too small. So I'm going to be putting this in a giveaway box. So y'all stay tuned for that if anybody's interested in a iPad. iPad 3D protector. It says Advanced Engineering. It's really nice. It's comfortable. It has a stand. You can make it stand up. It's really nice for $3. It just unfortunately will not fit my tablet. So I'm going to put that over here for a giveaway. Oh, and then I found this cute little sign. I'm going to put this in my, I'm hoping to make a filming room and not stop filming in my kitchen. So, but I got this nice little clapper so I can be very professional and produce my videos. But it was really cute, and it'd make a great, if you have a movie room or you know, like a den and you have movie posters or stuff, that'd be cute in there. So, and it's chalkboard, so you can write on it, or if you have a Cricut, you can put vinyl on it too. So, but it was really cute for $1. Oh, then I got the what brand is this? I guess this, no, this is XPG Company. Anyway, it's the In-Wash Aroma Booster and Odor Eliminator. It's just those freshness beads like you can get the Gain ones, which I usually buy, but they're really expensive. It smells really good. You can see it's just little crystals you just throw in your wash. So I'm going to give that a try. Getting down to the bottom, to the fun stuff, so let me get the stuff that's not so fun out of the way. And then you can see my cute Halloween items. I got a little spatula and a knife to take to my little kitchen at work to have in my drawer. These are great for $1. The only thing about these spatulas, I use these all the time, sometimes they'll get a crack in them and the inside is exposed. There's like a piece of metal in here, and when that happens I throw them away because I don't feel like I can wash in there. But what I do like is there's one solid piece. I hate the ones that the heads come off of and you can pop it back on the handle, because I feel like bacteria and stuff gets up in that handle and I just throw it away. And I picked up some of the Colgate Max Fresh with Whitening Knockout toothpaste. So, you know what, y'all, I love my toothpaste, so I got that. But now the fun part, and it's fun for me because, of course, it involves all my dogs. They had Halloween costumes. But this is not for a dog, but this is the Halloween wings for a little fairy. So I picked those up because I have a dog that is larger, and these little outfits would not fit on that dog. But they had several little costumes. I got this for my Mr. Peanut. He's going to be Super Dog, and I'm going to show y'all at the end. I'm going to put their little costumes on them, and y'all can take a look at them. But that's for Mr. Peanut. And then for Pokey and Munchie, they're going to be bats. So I picked up 2 little bats, and they had lots of things. They had ladybugs and hot dogs, and I kind of wanted to get a hot dog, but I've kind of reminded me of my Dot, so I just kind of skipped on that. But I think my sister picked up some for her little babies, but they had them in the small sizes. So if you have a little dog, you could probably still find some at Dollar Tree, because a lot of Dollar Trees that I went to, the ones in my neighborhood, and then we took a little trip to the beach, they were just now getting some trucks with Halloween stuff in it because they had been delayed because of shipping issues and drivers and everything. But anyway, you can still check it out. They have some Halloween stuff, and they've got some Christmas stuff right by it. So it's kind of a multi-holiday shopping spree at Dollar Tree right now. Hey y'all, that's my Dollar Tree haul. I'm gonna go get the puppies in their little costumes and stick it on the end of the video. But I know I've been missing in action for a little while, but I'm back now. I haven't been sick or anything. I just needed to take a little time. But I'm back now, and hopefully I'll have some videos for Christmas coming up. Maybe some quick Thanksgiving ones. I'll try to fit those in. But it's good to be back, and I hope y'all will stick with me, and I'll try to be a little more consistent now that I'm back. But anyway, y'all have a great Halloween, and I'll see you next week.
All right, looky there. Looky, there's a beautiful butterfly and a crazy bat. Where's my Munch? Where's Munchie? Munchie, want a cookie? Come on, get your cookie. There's Mr. Super Peanut. You gonna fly, Peanut? Come fly for Mama. Get your cookie. Come on, Munch. Come on, get your cookie. Munchie, come on. Come here, you little black bat. Dumpy is a beautiful butterfly. And Pokey's a bat. Get your cookie. Come on, Munch. Come on, get your cookie. Munchie, come on. Come here, you little black bat. Dumpy is a beautiful butterfly. And Pokey's a bat. She is a bat. Munch. Oh, there's a bat. Oh, look at that food bat. Munchie, come get your cookie. Come here. You crazy. You crazy. Come get your cookie. Come get your cookie. Here you go. Mama's got a cookie for you. Here's your cookie. Did you want your cookie? And